Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be cooking butternut squash. In addition, we're going to make a quick butternut squash soup. So let's get into this recipe now. We're starting off by cutting up the butternut squash, cleaning out the seeds, and then we're going to chop it in smaller pieces. We start off with our aromatics, which we're using garlic and also onions. So I use one medium-sized onion and 3 cloves of garlic. To a hot pot, we're going to add this garlic infused oil, but you can use any vegetable oil that you have available to you. When hot, we're adding the jeera and then the aromatics. Now we're cooking this until it becomes translucent, and that's when we're going to add our delicious butternut squash. Now let's add some salt to taste and any other spices you like to add. I also added some shadow benny, also known as cilantro. So this is our delicious butternut squash. Now let's get started on the soup. The base of the soup is cooked split peas, which I pre-cooked using the slow cooker. And to this I'm going to add about half a cup of coconut milk and a spoonful of this delicious butternut squash, which I stirred in. Some people may want to blend this at this stage, but I like the texture that I had. I finish it off with a bit of dry parsley, and of course you're going to put your salt to taste as well. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more.